On the left-hand side, under the Single Object section, we select the Put Collection Collection Name Object Object ID endpoint, which we'll use to upload a file via JoeDoe. Within the parameters of the Put endpoint, we'll supply our own object ID for the object, Joe shared JSON file.json as an example, as well as the shared collection name, Aura Mag Shared Collection, a content type of application JSON, and then as part of the body of the put, we'll upload a test file containing a sample JSON payload we created earlier. Then in the authentication method, we'll set the default HTTP basic authentication method, followed by JoeDoe's username and password, then we'll test the endpoint. In the result, we can see the file has been successfully uploaded with a 201 object created status code. And in the results, we can see the metadata about the file we just uploaded. Now, let's see if Jane Roe can see Joe's file in the shared collection. If we instead select the Get Collection Collection Name Objects endpoint to return all objects from a collection, we enter Aura Mag Shared Collection as the collection name. In testing this endpoint as Jane Roe, we can see that Jane can see the returned JSON file that Joe uploaded. The endpoint here returning the metadata about the object. Alternatively, if we then access the put method again, this time Jane uploads her own JSON file. But we upload the file to the Aura Mag isolated collection, selecting the file, instead authenticating as Jane Roe, receiving a 201 successful result. After the file is successfully uploaded, if we then attempt to access the isolated collection as Joe rather than Jane via the same get method we used previously, we can see Joe can't see Jane's file as the file was uploaded in Jane's private isolated collection. But repeating the same operation as Jane, as expected, she can see the file she uploaded into her own personal isolated collection.